Here's how to record desktop audio with OBS Studio. First, open OBS Studio, then access Settings. Go to the Output tab and select the Recording section. Set Output Mode to Advanced. Next, find Audio Track. If you're only recording desktop audio, select Track 1. If you also want to record another audio source, such as your microphone, enable Track 2 as well. You can select additional tracks if you're recording more audio devices. Click Apply, then OK. Now, in the audio mixer, click the settings icon to access Advanced Audio Properties. Under Desktop Audio, make sure Track 1 is checked. If you're recording your microphone separately, uncheck Track 1 for the microphone and assign it to Track 2 instead. This keeps your desktop audio and microphone on separate tracks for easier editing later. Close the Advanced Audio Properties window and make sure the volume sliders for the audio sources you want to record are turned up. You should also see the audio meters moving when sound is playing, confirming OBS is detecting your audio correctly. That's all for this video. Thanks.